Baby eater, calm your voice when you deal with me.
Chef, you bring your baby, them come and me eat them too.
Me near my picnic already and belly to wait for you. No.
It's a different day, but I same night, or same night, but a different day. It's a next Shibada video, as you can see, don't, boy. Then say Shibada fish, then say Shibada shark, then say Shibada sprat. But Shibada is a funny. Then say Shibada funny. But when I say funny, I mean comedic funny. We had watch one next set of Shibada video. I know you're gonna laugh, so till you cough, so just like your video for now, please. When you don't like your video, trust me, it go a far way with helping the channel grow. I appreciate it. Anyways, no long talking, I get alone chase. I jump right in the video.
Party! I don't mix with the dirty family, then I beg you do, me not like him so, remember? No one like it.
Yeah, man. You're gonna stop disrespecting this family as of today.
You talk to me? No man, check if you're the palm mute.
What I'm saying, yeah?
Don't do that.
Better don't do it again. Oh, I think my dog. Oh, Juki, me and my girlfriend, me and my brother. Yeah, let me check. Remember that. Oh, yes, this is you. And you have a show to the Bahamas. You have a show to the Bahamas, right?
Yes.
When you Bahamas, you come back and do some interviews. About 3 interviews on the radio station, the TV station, plus with the cleaning and stuff like that. But the thing must talk about is that when you do the station, when you climb up on the stage and jump off the you jump off the corner and something, yeah? And I mean, high jump. Like what, you remember Elephant Man when you was before? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Climb up on the box and me attacking the man's girl?
This is in person.
Oh.
5-star show.
Give me.
Hello?
Boom bang. You hear the artist there? When? Let me check. Hold on, let me check it there first. Hold on. You can't do a show, man,
Yeah, I'm free.
You free?
Yeah, I'm free.
You book out.
Hello, me say me free.
I'm in the man doing my donor, you disturb my man.
No. No, me I tell you, not free. Book out. Somebody paid them 300,000 up on it already. Send out the contract and thing. No cartel, you just say, when you send a contract, you send a contract. You can't break it. But between me and still, if you give me 500,000, you can't get him in. You need better date. You want to say go? No, 500. No, me do the money part and my girlfriend do the money part. I'm make it talk to her. No, man, I'm a woman. I want that. What I get him again?
Bring some shit in here. Jesus.
Win some, baby.
Yes, honey?
Come here, darling.
So I was telling my bottle to tell Vice Marshall to tell Wayne Marshall. So he could tell Killer to tell
Hi! Look at the man. No, you're see, I already know the card.
But I will say
You're telling me. Tell me 150,000 euros. Don't pay me.
100.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just look at the deal.
Hello, that's 250,000 US, and you can make a deposit when you pay her. Hey, especially my Bahamas, when you buy one blue suit, I'm going to marry her. More you be the best man. And next right there. You see, you're a long, pinty more shoe. Yeah.
How would it go? Let me see. Come here.
We don't need a girlfriend now. No, when you come from Bahamas, me, you, your girlfriend, and my girlfriend, the four away.
You know what? Let's say nothing more. If anything, email me.
Yeah, man, later.
Later. Yeah.
for $400,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm so happy things are going on right now.
Yeah, man. And guess what? This is all for you.
Oh, Lord, that nice, man.
So baby, I think you should bank it.
Exactly.
In the bank.
You owe my bank.
No, stop it.
Jimmy, I don't know what you're used to the past now, but this relationship is not about money. It's about love. I love you.
Loving a sonnet. Man Wednesday. When you take away can if you don't know enough and that flight and get upset.
This relationship is not about money, it's about love. That is when time. It was never about love. It was always about money. Anyways, that was a nice piece of play. It was egg. I don't know him girlfriend name. Him a crook. Him girl a crook. Juki a crook. Shibada a crook. Even the girlfriend for Juki a crook. But she in a hit for love. Lies. Anyways, I don't like if you did. Like if video for me, man. Please, me appreciate it. Now we have our next piece, yeah.
Someone get up in her mind, make up and I realize that she's not the part for God. Hurry up! Ready to go! This woman will run down her man and them not athlete. You understand what I say? That hurt me. She come in here with that overnight problem. I come down with my name out of relationship. I want to it, Palmy.
You don't worry about that, that's my business.
I was a long time stay big woman, you know.
Let me tell you something, I notice you. You always talk about old. But you see the rate at which you're going, I need for you to know. The rate at which you're going, you will never live to see my age.
Any day you see my skin a wrinkle like your one, I drop your bucket of oil off a lane. You don't know who are you. I want really do you.
You need to take a good look at yourself, and that is what you need to do.
Me, I wonder sometimes if there's an antique store, like I want this all-time center table.
You will never live to see my age, and I need for you to take a note of that. And I rest my case.
You're supposed to rest it a black and white Yahweh. Right, and then put things to rest. Where me and you go?
Come in, man.
How
No respect. So.
talk aloud, she can't lick you, my dear. Say that. Remember me, your friend, and she can't lick you.
Come in, man.
Lad, you're determined. She must have. How where you ask me about you see me go on trip? Man, bad. Give me that bathroom, my eye. Go tomorrow. No, me I go and do it now. You're too much now, man. Me say can go in the bathroom for me. Get out of here! Baba, you like me Israel bag? And Israel, my bite, you know what I mean? Israel.
Look here. What's the significance of this bag?
Look here, don't give me a one time. My job is to serve, protect, and inform. I'm not serve and protect and inform.
And you're no. You are now contradicting yourself. When I came in and asked for information, you told me you were not a liberty.
No, I didn't have a lunchtime. Don't do that.
Well, sir, next time you buy the bag in Jerusalem.
Especially class, she didn't know what she she can't. So I never try.
Give me another drink, please.
And the job is done here.
Open the bag, my friend. Open the bag.
Mama, you know what you can't think. You got no. Come on, buy the bag. I don't want to look into it. How about this, Baba?
Oh, what that?
Israel so old and I use condom. No, man, this is not right. Israel don't go old. See, I told you I never hit you with a dancing bag.
The lady in black from when we watch her, I understand her husband a cheat on her husband a police superintendent, Sarge, everything in a police station, and he left him back there cause him him tired of his wife, I guess, cause he got hide in her bathroom. So she bother I try inform her, say her husband bag. She bother just a shell out everything in there and she still no pick up on it. Boy, she bother boy, a great youth. As fishy as he is a great comedian. Anyways, I hit that fee night, you know. If you like it, subscribe, click the notification bell, leave a comment in the comment section. What else me miss? Me no remember. But stay safe. God bless.